morning, my name is Andre with Montgomery DME. I'm going to show you how to use a nebulizer. Nebulizer, fancy word for a baby air compressor, on and off button here. This is where you plug in your tubing. You turn this on, it'll make that noise. And what you have here is one tubing with two connectors. One connector goes plugged into the machine, the other connector goes into the bottom of the canister. It won't fit right there, so it'll go into the bottom of the canister just like that. The T connector goes on top of the tubing just like so. One of these is the exhaust, the other one is the mouthpiece. This opens up here in the middle. You twist and lift. Medicine goes in here. You just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. You take this, put this back on, turn the machine on. It's going to create a smoke or a mist, and after 10 to 15 minutes your treatment is done. You turn the machine off. With a twist and pull, you remove this part. This is the part that gets dirty. You're going to remove all the pieces, and you're going to rinse them with warm water. If it gets really bad, you take 1 part vinegar, 10 parts water, let it soak for 20 minutes, and then rinse it and let it air dry. Now, the only difference between the mouthpiece and the mask is that the mask goes on top of the canister instead of the mouthpiece.